Semi-permanent application wipe-on leave-on. A wipe-on leave-on application method is optimal for use on Class A mold surfaces when the release agent is specifically formulated for a wipe-on leave-on application. If applied correctly, the semi-permanent release agent will not streak and will require less time to apply compared to a wipe-on wipe-off application. The recommended application technique is to apply a very thin wet film. The best medium for applying the release agent is a reinforced paper towel that is folded one time. The maximum size should resemble the size of your palm. A clean cotton rag is also acceptable if you can put it into the size of your palm. To apply a thin wet film, it is necessary to avoid using a thick towel or rag. You'll just waste the release agent. One great technique to apply the release agent is to use a plastic or steel squeeze bottle. All right, now we're going to talk about our G494 semi-permanent wipe-on leave-on. We're going to apply the wipe-on leave-on release agent to our cloth here. And again, we're going to go in a linear fashion. To achieve the optimal performance of the semi-permanent release agent, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions regarding the number of initial coats, cure times between coats, and final cure of the last coat before sending the mold to production. If your objective is to achieve the maximum number of release cycles before reapplying, the mold sealer and release agent must be 100% cross-linked. And it's important to remember that the recommended cure times are based on ambient temperatures of 25 C. For every 10 C decrease in ambient temperatures when the mold, release, or sealer is applied, cure times need to be doubled.